In front of me is Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by launching Play Store and getting free app code Caffeine Keep Screen On. When it's ready, launch it. Hit OK. Tap on Timeout to make sure Infinite is on and go into Tab menu. Now select Edit at the bottom, scroll again and click on Caffeine shortcut to add it. Then use this checkmark at the top right corner, click on your shortcut, tap on this switcher next to allow modifying system settings, go back and tap on the same shortcut again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!